Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix controllers not working in the finals. It's quite easy and straightforward, so without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what you need to do here, you just need to connect your controller with Bluetooth or with your cable, and then make sure that other accessories is not connected, like your second controller. Maybe you play racing games and it will be your wheel or something like that. Make sure that you only connect your mouse and keyboard and no VR sets, just your controller. And then what you need to do here is to press on the Steam icon that is on the top left. Then you need to go settings, then you need to go to controller here, and then here make sure that the guide button focuses Steam, and then you need to select the one that you're using. I'm using PlayStation controller, so I toggle this button on, but if you're using Xbox controller, you just need to turn off PlayStation and turn on Xbox, and probably you get the point. And then you just make sure your idle gamepad shutdown timeout is also on never, because if it will be on default, I believe 15 minutes, and so basically after 15 minutes your controller will turn off. And then what you need to do here is to launch the game, and if your controller is still not working, then go to the game, right click on it, properties, then you need to go to controller, and then change from use default settings to disable Steam input, and if it's not working, then change to enable Steam input, and one of the three here should work. Right, so that's pretty much it, and if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.